Yo guys, welcome back to another video, and today we'll be doing another pack opening. Today we'll be opening these packs in my packs I've got in pack challenges. There's like pack challenges and like division rivals and stuff like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the Golden Ball pack. This one has at least one Golden Ball card, and all the cards have 82 plus rated cards. Let's go. Oh, it's English is a dead nation. Oh, it's a striker. Oh, it's Michael Owen. That's not too bad of a start. Oh, brain freeze. Ooh. Hector Bellerin as well. Now we can open a free one as well, so we will be doing that as well. Just got to watch an ad. Possibly it's just some shit. Where's Slopes? Hey, this is the same pack. Hope it's better. Did we make the right decision or not? We got a German striker from Bayern. What? How do I even say that name? 95. I'm not even going to pronounce how to say his name. But I think I made the right decision to do another pack. We're going to leave an icon. One icon with a 90 plus rated. The others are 82. We're going to leave the icon till last. With the team of the season cards as well. We'll do the free one at the end. Dybala. It's alright. I'll take that. Oh, it's one of them Lunias, isn't it? No, it's a Bundesliga team of player of the tournament. And it's Hastenberg. Oh, I'm not going to do a free pack. We've got 82 plus player packs next. I'll do it. No, I won't do it. I just did it for the Golden Ball. It's a normal walkout. Higuain. And now I've got the rare players. Just those three of them. And we've got 6 team of the seasons. I think it's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 team of the seasons with an icon. We're going to open the icon first. A guaranteed icon that's over 90 plus. It's a no. Come on, Cam. Striker. Oh, it's going to be run up. Please be 96. Oh my God. I just got Pele. No. I just got Pele. I thought on this had to do. He was centre forward. Well, I thought it was going to be Ronaldo, but Pele will do. And we got a free eye. Oh my god, okay. We get prime moments, Matt. Alright, Pele, I'll take it. Okay, another icon, please. It's French. Centre back, Desailly. Nope, it was Laurent Blanc. I'll take that. Now the moment we've all been waiting for. 6 Team of the Seasons. The first one is a walkout. It's Czech Republic, I think it's Czech Republic, CDM. Don't know what that club is. Don't know who he is. So I'm just going to move swiftly onto a free pack. Portugal, left mid. It's not going to be Ronaldo. Come on, next one. English, Cam. Oh my god, it's the worst one. Madison. Oh, it's Nigeria. Come on, Nigeria. Left mid. Don't know who he is, so we're gonna move swiftly on. No. Oh! I can't make too much noise, it's so early in the morning. Oh my god, she's got Salah. No. No. Oh, wait. I got him already. Oh, let's have a look at that. I actually do, yes, I do. I must have packed him a long time ago when Team BPL came out. It's time for the last two. Haller. Sebastian Haller. Don't know yet, but he could be making his move to West Ham. No point doing that. 3-1. And the last pack, we get a team of the season. Colombia. Cam. It's not Rodriguez because he's not in it. And I'm going to open this last team of the season just for banter. I'm going to open this one just for banter. And the last one isn't a walkout. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of all my 790, but we're going to get rid of all the rare gold. And possibly on my next video, I probably might do a stream. Might do a stream, I'm not sure, but I might do a stream or just do a normal video on opening about 1 to 2 million coins. But let's just have a look at the cards that I want to get rid of. Ooh, I can't get rid of Ramos. It's going to be 86 below. There we go. Okay guys, right then. I'm going to do something here. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to put this my ID number in the description. Ooh, that's me. Let's just get that in the description down below, and put a comment down below if you want the player, if you want these players. So I'm going to put offers on here if you want them. Salah is going to go for, let's put Salah. He's just going to start with these three first. We're going to do team of the season Salah. So basically this is a giveaway. Salah, I'm going to sell him for 5.5 million. Robertson will be 3 million. Man of the match Suarez will be, let's go for a 6 million on that one as well. So there will be the three players. Salah's 6 mil. Did I say 6 mil yet? Well, just watch the video, then you'll see what you need. Only Salah, Robertson, and man of the match Suarez are on the giveaways. So profile. There it is. Profile ID. Just short that. It's 21271083321. So you can add me on it, and I'll probably add you back. And just comment down below on this video what players you want, and I'll do it on trading, and you can know me the coins for it. So that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Ooh, oh, that's just my bowl of cereal. Right, that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button. And also, if you're near around here, make sure to subscribe to the channel. To just subscribe, and see you guys next time for a brand new video.